Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to find an angle of a right triangle using trigonometry. So in this case we have triangle ABC and we're going to try and find angle C. So we're just going to mark that x degrees. Now we need to label the sides as the hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite. So to find the hypotenuse, we're going to look at the side that's across from the right angle and we're going to label that H. Then to find the opposite, we're going to look at the side that's across from the angle that we're trying to find and we're going to label it O. And then the last remaining side is going to be labeled A for adjacent. Now we're going to write out SOHCAHTOA to figure out which ratio we're going to use to find this angle. And SO would be standing for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. CA stands for cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And then TOA stands for tan or tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Now looking at these and our triangle, we notice that we have side lengths on opposite and hypotenuse. So we're going to look and see which ratio has opposite and hypotenuse, and sine does. So we're going to use sine and we're going to write sine x degrees equals 12 over 30 because of the 12 and the 30 up here. Now we need to get x by itself. So we're going to divide each side by sine. So now we have x degrees equals 12 over 30 sine. And we want sine to be on the top, so we can move it up. And now we would have x degrees equals sine -1, 12 over 30. And it's a -1 because before, when it was on the bottom, it had an invisible exponent of 1. So then when we moved it to the top of the fraction, the 1 reversed and now it's a -1. So then we're going to punch that into our calculator and we're going to get some crazy number like 23.57817 and so on. And because we are finding an angle, we're going to round that to the nearest whole number, which would be 24 degrees. So x approximately equals 24 degrees.